somebody massage a tube? Yeah.
All right, so here we are cooking with Captain Steve, and we're at the Bradenton Womans Club, which is a great place where we do the Wednesday night Hump Day Blues Buffet. And while Craig is in the back, you can hear him playing guitar on stage. I'm in the back with the elves. We got one gator elf over here, and here we are. So what are we making here? Look at these little things.
Christmas mice.
Christmas mice. Look at these little things. They're adorable. Okay.
Chocolate, macadamia cherry.
So what's going on here?
Grab a cherry, Mary.
Chocolate.
Grab a cherry, Mary. Grab a cherry, Mary. Okay, so
Yeah, that could
so Mary puts the cherry in the chocolate like that. All right.
Get a kiss.
And then
attaches it to a
Chocolate
chocolate
kiss.
kiss.
Chocolate kiss.
I see. Okay, chocolate kiss. Is the chocolate kiss the head or the butt?
Head.
The nose.
It's the nose. Okay. And then she's gonna blow.
Blowing on it to me.
So this is hot chocolate then right now.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
hot
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Very. Was it very warm or is it?
It's medium warm.
Okay. So
And then you
then.
take an almond
For its ears.
for an ear. Oops, we're moving. Did you get it out?
Willie did this for me once. He filmed it and put it on Facebook.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to do here. We're gonna put it on the Captain Steve's cooking channel.
He's making just a little mess out of it.
This one's getting messy.
That's right. We're getting the idea. Well, not all of them are. I guess
All mice are different.
all mice are different. God bless you. Look at that. It's good now. Do you have eyes too on this thing, or?
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
Did you get it out? Yeah.
Okay. So then, what do we do with the eyes here?
Yeah.
Fix your ear.
Yeah, you need to fix your ear.
What's wrong with the ear?
He's falling.
It's falling down.
Willie, it's coming too
I think
close.
that's old.
do we have a
It acts
toothpick?
old.
Do these have eyes?
No,
None of these have eyes.
We wait till they set before.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe that's the problem. I'm rushing you in the eye department.
Don't make it too big or you can't.
Wait, wait. This one's just coming off.
So this is amazing, folks. These are the kind of things that.
Here.
That the members at the Bradenton Womans Club do. Occupy time.
Oh, look at that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good job.
Mary, I found too that if you smush the tip into the
All right, well, I better make sure that
stay there.
they're not calling me on stage right now. And that's it. The Bradenton Womans Club.
Bye, Steve.
Goodbye. The chocolate mice making the chocolate mice. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, no, he's performing on stage now. We're okay.
Turn that light off, please.
Yes, sir.